Hey everyone, okay, so really quick video today. I'm going to be doing a very quick eye lift video. I wish I knew how the YouTubers had their camera setups, because they are able to zoom in and you see a kind of like a lot of lid and all that kind of stuff. And I can't quite work that out. I'm going to use my palette, which is the Imperial Topaz palette. So the first thing I'm going to do is just lay down a slight shimmer shade just on the eyelid, and I've got an eye primer on the eyelid, so it's going to look more intense than it would without. I'm going to do a fraction on the brow bone and then just kind of give the bird and, you know, kind of just blend it out. I'm going to be using I'm going to use this shade here in the middle, and I'm going to use the one at the bottom. So the first thing I'm going to do is just pick some up on my number 20 brush, and I'm not going to do this neat. You'll see why in a minute. I'm going to start about here, and I'm just going to kind of get it into the socket, and I've stopped it short, so I've not extended it. I'll extend it with the blending brush, and I'm going to go back and forward into the socket and then extend it with this brush. Because I think there's this, you always think that the outside corner should be the darkest, but it's actually this corner here that should be the darkest, and then it's blended out, if that makes sense. So I'm actually going to bring this up here into this part of the brow bone and then just blend it out. That's just a nice easy wash. I'm going to then go in with the deeper color, and I'm just going to add this right at this outside corner. And when I blend this, I'm going to blend it from outside in. So I'm not coming in, I'm actually going to start blending it from the outside corner, and then I'll blend it inwards. And then I'll go in again just to deepen that outside crease. Blend it out, blend it up, and then just circular motions to kind of blend it a little bit more. So now what I need to do is just to clean up this area here, to sharpen it so I can just lift the eye a little bit better. And before I do that, if I can find a brush, two ticks, I'm now just going to take the black eyeshadow, and I'm going to pull the mirror closer, and I'm just going to define the lash line just so it's darker, and then we'll do mascara. So I'm going to take a cotton pad with a little bit of makeup remover on it, and I'm going to take this edge off. So that's lifting it, pulling it to the side, but I actually want to drag it up. So I want to cut off it at a higher point just to kind of lift that part of the eye. And now I need to reapply the foundation in this section. So I now need to curl my lashes, which is pointless because my lashes are incredibly dreadful at the moment, and then just apply some mascara. There you go, very faint application of mascara. And this is the look. It's very, very simple. We extended it out farther than we needed to so we could blend well, and then we cut it off. And as you can see, I've cut it off quite high up here, so to give the illusion of lifting this outer corner as opposed to pulling it outwards. And it's just a simple, easy way of doing your eye makeup, because you have more margin for error. You're able to know you're going past your own lash line, and then with the incredible little cotton pad, you're able to scoop it up. And I've actually just taken something away there. You're able to clean it up and then reapply your concealer and or foundation in that area. It's just a lovely way of doing eye makeup because it's very simple and very, very easy to do. Thank you for watching. I very much appreciate your time, And we'll see you all very, very soon. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.